What up, what up? This is Jixie Girl 750. I'm over here at the SCMM2018 event in Palm Springs, California. Woo! It's really hot and everyone's in the pool right now. But a lot of people are not in the pool. They're just chilling out and it's 110 degrees. So I'm in my air-conditioned car. It's all good though. Everyone seems like they're having a good time together, riding together. They're all off to Chaparral Motorsports now, hang out there, and I won't be following them. I feel a little out of place because I didn't bring my bike, so I'm just wearing my Suzuki backpack, just trying to fit in, my Alpine Star shirt on, but I'm not fitting in. I thought just wearing the gear would be enough. Stay at the Airbnb over here. That would be nice. Pools, laundry room, towels, bath towels, pool towels, kitchen, towels, more towels, all the towels you could ever want. Oh my gosh, I gotta turn onto this highway. Thank you. Sport mode activate. Go, go Corolla, go! Woo! 80 miles an hour. We need to get gas. Dang. The wind blew it off. So we decided to just stop over at Morongo after a hot trip. Yeah, that was really awesome. All the bikes turned up. They were all really awesome bikes, all sport bikes, a couple of choppers, and I really recommend riding your bike to this event and not driving in a car like I did, but I couldn't let the opportunity pass me by to meet everybody. And I met Sub Delinquent and he was really nice. So I just said, hey, my name's Tana Moody, and it was really nice because he paused his music, and a lot of people don't like to pause their music. They're usually like, my music's on. So it was really nice of him to pause it and just say what's up. So he is really nice in real life and invited me to the after party at Chaparral Motorsports.
Take the next left onto Palm Drive.
I gotta make a left here. I was like, no, I have a beautiful wife waiting for me by a pool. So he goes, I completely understand. So yeah, that was my meeting with Sub Delinquent. Everyone looked like they had a good time, and I saw a lot of booze by the pool with some Pepsi, so I bet that the party last night was really awesome. And it's probably gonna go again tonight. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Next year I'll probably ride my bike over here and do this right, but for 2018, that was my experience, and it was pretty cool. Very laid back, and everyone's really nice, all the bikers. That was so cool. Everyone was really lively, had a lot of energy, really awesome. And yeah, next time I will totally ride my Gixxer there. So that was cool. All right, take care, everybody. Wow.